Well, today it's time to get a new highest score. Oh, X38! Yes. Oh my god, X44! Oh. Okay, it's starting to warrant. Already 3 power-ups! You got 2. Dude, X45 is the best multiplayer I've seen. Oh my god! Hover complete. Come on, yeah! Come on. Maybe we have enough percentage for a new high score. 5 million. I want to get the 5 million highest score. Do. Yeah. Do. Ew. Oh no! Hey you! Oh! Hey! I didn't start a jetpack. Where did I pick it from? Oh, Rex, nerdy. Wait, I just forgot. Are you kidding me? Duh! Champion! But that's okay. Yeah, we're going to be the champion after when this ends. When the viewers are going to be excited. Yeah! Yes, do this. Oh my god. I ran out of coins for another overboard. We got finally collected 100 coins. Oh my god. Thank you, overboard. Well, that's okay. No. What? I technically got it, but I was so close. I couldn't. Okay. Score booster! Oh no, I died! Kidding me. Oh, kidding me. No! No! But it's okay. We have a hoverboard this time. Yeah, we laid a lot of kaboom! Yeah, score booster. What? Where did I get coins? What the? How did I not get that score booster? I was right on top of him. Okay, please keep jetpack. Please keep a score booster when I am up there, or not. He didn't give me it, but it's okay. No, dude. What? What did I do that is doing jetpack? Another word. Come on. Come on. What are we doing? Just stop. No. Super Sneaker. Totally must go. After their skin, it will show the highest scorer who I just got. That be the champion of the world. Oh, thank you. What? When I have not enough jetpacks, I'll get a jetpack by watching an ad. When it doesn't work, I'll start over. I think it will not work. So I will do it. So that's why I work on another again. What? What? head start. I'm not to be that safe. Okay, when I'm in a dangerous place, so I changed the hoverboard with cord. Say thank you Jack for protecting the hoverboard. No! Go! No! And to get out of this jetpack or score booster. Woo-hoo! Oh, that's so good. I'm touching this. Touch this. No, come on, I didn't understand how many. Oh, that's a jetpack! Come on. Where's the 40 hoverboards? Come on, I want to get 5 million. We get 1,600,000. I want to die because I'm running out of head starts. No. For 6%. 46%. Whoa! Look at these superheroes. He got 1 million. points. Wow. Am I able to catch him? I think so too. Ah! Ah! Here I can see, I can barely see coins up there because I used it to get to the glass. Come on. Oh! Oh my God! It's so fun! Jetpack! Oh. Bonus still so! Oh, subway surfers. Or standing there left. Thought someone was doing I think my cat and my mouse and my dog did it. Oh, I don't know. Oh! Superman! This jetpack, no man. Whatever score was there, that's okay. What? No! Free head start? That's really great! Because I could get power-ups from head starts. Thanks for your help, Ad. I could use 2 head starts. There it is! Oh no, that's a score booster! But I still have it for a lowest kind. Mission complete. Mission complete. There's too many focal sticks. What? I have a jetpack and a score booster. Oh my god, if it gives a power up in a jetpack, I'll panic so much. No power up. Come on. Wait, Hew. Oh my god. Thank you, hoverboard, for saving me. Jetpack. Oh, wow.